Hello, my name is Vanessa. I'm a light worker and I'm here to help. This is a meditation for unity to bring us all together. We are all one. Although we all have unique personalities and differences in culture and beliefs, our similarities are far greater. We are all born in the same ways. We all die in the same ways. We all love and fear. We all have a desire to be loved, to be free, to be nourished. We are all deserving of love, dignity, and respect. We are all Earthlings. We all inhabit the same planet. We are all Earthlings. We are all capable of feeling the same emotions, exhibiting the same behaviors. We are all humans, made of bones and blood and skin. And the slight differences that we feel are nothing in the grand scheme of things, and they are nothing to God. We are all God's children. We are all deserving of love. Let us all come together to understand this. Let us break the chains that tie us away and separate each other. Let us come together with the clear understanding that we are not only all Earthlings, but the earth and us together as humans are all one organism, one entity, one God. Let us not let the details blur the lines of this truth. The little differences, they don't matter. Let us love our neighbor as we love ourselves. Let us understand that as we love our children, others love their children the same. Let us understand that our desires are not so different from our neighbor, from the people who live in far away countries. Our basic desires and needs are the same. Family, freedom, love, food, shelter. Let us not believe the lies we are told that there are not enough resources on this planet for us all. That is a lie. There are more than enough resources on this planet for us all. Let us not separate, but come together with understanding, with love. We are all Earthlings, coming together in unity, in love, understanding, releasing judgment. This is our only hope. There is no other way. Join me in feeling love. Feel it in your heart center. Feel it shining out of your heart, touching the sky, piercing the sky, reaching God. Let not the name that you call God separate you from your sisters and brothers here on earth. Breathe in deep and exhale. Let love fill your heart. Let it fill yours and your brothers, your sisters of this planet. We are all deserving of love, freedom, nourishment. Feel it in your heart center. Feel the love of the universe shining down upon you and everyone else on the earth. I love you, and so it is.